Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to talk about something that can change your life. Why reading is so important. This video is perfect for beginners who are learning English and want to improve their listening skills. So, stay with us till the end, and let's begin. Reading is one of the most powerful tools for learning. But why is it so important? Let me explain step by step. First, reading helps us gain knowledge. Every book, article, or story is full of information. When you read, you learn about the world around you. For example, if you read a science book, you discover how nature works. If you read history, you understand what happened in the past. Even reading about everyday topics helps you learn new things. The knowledge you gain from reading stays with you forever, and you can use it in your daily life. It's like building a treasure chest in your mind, filled with valuable ideas and facts. Second, reading improves your language skills. If you're learning English, reading is your best friend. Why? Because it shows you how words are used in sentences. You learn new vocabulary and understand grammar naturally. For example, if you read a story, you'll see how characters talk and how sentences are formed. Over time, your speaking and writing will improve. It's like having a free English teacher every time you read. Now, let's talk about creativity. Reading helps your imagination grow. When you read a story, your mind creates pictures of the characters, places, and events. For example, if you read about a magical castle, you imagine how it looks, how big it is, and what it feels like to be there. This improves your ability to think creatively in real life. Whether you need new ideas for work, school, or solving problems, reading gives your brain the exercise it needs. Reading is also great for reducing stress. Imagine you've had a long, tiring day. You sit down with a good book, and within minutes, you're in another world. Maybe you're exploring a jungle, solving a mystery, or falling in love with the characters. Reading helps you forget your worries for a while. Studies even show that reading can calm your mind, lower your heart rate, and make you feel more relaxed. So, the next time you feel stressed, pick up a book instead of your phone. Speaking of phones, let's discuss how reading makes us better thinkers. Today, we're surrounded by information social media posts, videos, and news. Sometimes it's hard to know what's true, but when you read, you learn to think critically. For example, if you read about a problem in a story, you try to understand why it happened and how it can be solved. This skill helps you in real life too. You'll learn to question things, analyze information, and form your own opinions. Another reason reading is so important is that it helps us focus and concentrate. In today's world, it's easy to get distracted, but when you read, you train your brain to focus on one thing for a long time. For example, when you read a chapter of a book, you pay attention to every word and every detail. This improves your attention span and helps you concentrate better in other areas of life, like studying or working. Now, let's not forget about empathy. Empathy means understanding how someone else feels. When you read a story, you experience the emotions of the characters. For example, if a character feels sad, you feel sad with them. If they are happy, you feel their joy. This makes you more understanding and kind in real life. You learn to see the world through other people's eyes, and this helps you build stronger relationships. Finally, let's talk about fun. Reading is not just about learning, it's also about enjoying yourself. Whether it's a funny story, an exciting adventure, or a touching romance, books offer endless entertainment. Unlike movies or TV shows, reading lets you imagine the story in your own way. You control the pace. You can pause, think, and enjoy every moment. Did you know that people who read regularly are more confident? Reading helps you learn how to express your thoughts clearly. When you read, you see how good writers explain their ideas. This makes you a better communicator, whether you're writing, speaking, or even just having a conversation. Also, reading connects you to the world. For example, if you read a story from another culture, you learn about their traditions, food, and lifestyle. This makes you more open-minded and respectful of different people. Lastly, reading helps you achieve your goals. Many successful people, like business leaders and scientists, say that reading has played a big role in their success. Books teach you new skills, inspire you to work harder, and give you the motivation to keep going, even when life gets tough. Conclusion. So why is reading so important? Because it improves your knowledge, language skills, creativity, focus, and empathy, while helping you relax and have fun. Reading is not just an activity, it's an investment in yourself. If you're new to reading, start small. Maybe read for 10 or 15 minutes a day. Choose topics you enjoy, whether it's stories, news, or self-help books. You'll be surprised at how quickly it becomes a habit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep reading, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.